Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Himesh
And this is Kaishwari
from Himshori of Beat. So first of all, happy 50th National Day to all the UAE people out here. So now regarding this 50th anniversary, UAE has created a lot of high-tech technology and new places for the tourists to visit here.
Regarding the 50th anniversary of UA, our mom here.
Yes, today I am here with these people to get to know, do they know anything about UAE? They are here in UAE for a long time, correct?
Yes.
So let us see, do they really know about UAE? Okay, we'll see now.
Okay, so now let's start. Okay, mom, so let's start about the trivia of UAE.
Today we are celebrating the 50th National Day of UAE.
Yes.
In this occasion, I want to ask Kaishori and Himesh, who are born and brought up here, what they like most in UAE. I want to ask Kaishori. Kaishori, what you like most in UAE?
I like the most in UA. Like it's so secure. Like in night time, like me and my mom could go alone in like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock without no fear.
Okay, so Kaishori, you can also look at the camera and see the answer.
Yes. Yes, Kaishori. Now we are facing the camera. I think she forgot that.
Sorry.
She was deep into the answer.
Yes. No, what she wants to say is very good answer she told. It is like, anytime, actually, especially me and her alone, we are going night also alone. We drive and go night alone. So she felt it's a very secure place. It's a very, very good answer. And I want to know about to Himesh. Himesh, tell me, what is the most one you like in UAE?
The most thing I like in UAE is the tourist attractions here. Not only the downtown Dubai like Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, also the places like Hatta, Jebel Al Jais, which are also not fully technologically built in areas, but those views and sceneries are really good. And in my point of view, that is like the most beautiful places I have ever been to.
Yes, I understood what he wants to say is not only it is not technologically based. The nature of UAE is also very good,
Yes.
which he enjoys. That is what he wants to say. Okay.
Now, wait.
Yes.
I want to ask to you, why do you like UAE?
Wow, that's a question I never expected that question here. But still, yes, I like here because we are staying with so many nationalities, so many expatriates are here, and this country take care of each and every one in the way which we want to be. And now we know about the culture, how we have to behave with each other. Once we are in UAE, I think anywhere you go in the world, you will respect others because you know how we have to respect, and we know what are the festivities celebrating by others. So that is why I like UAE, and I am very, very lucky that I am part of UAE now.
So, like, you mean that in UAE there are a lot of other nationality people, right?
Yes, so many nationalities
Yes.
are here. So we came to know about each and everyone's culture also.
That's
So
correct.
it's a world. It's a mini world here, mini
Yes.
world come here. So it's like very nice to be here.
Okay. Now, was this there in your question list?
No.
Okay. Now let's
I
get
cannot
to.
give everything, the
Okay.
skill.
Okay. Now let's go to the real question
Now,
list.
whenever I am asking a question, whoever knows they can raise their hand. I will ask the question, but I will decide to whom I will ask. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. UAE is a federation of how many emirates? Both of them know. So I will take Kaishuri for this.
7 minutes.
Okay.
Wow, wonderful answer. Next question. The UAE was established in which year? Himesh.
1971.
Very good. Who is the first president of UAE? Yes, Himesh.
Sheikh Zayed.
Very good. Which is the largest emirate by area base in UAE?
Yeah, I know it.
Which one?
Abu Dhabi.
Very good. And which is the capital of UAE? Yes.
Abu Dhabi.
Very good.
I gave it for her.
He gave it up. It will be like that, okay? Which is the most popular emirate in UAE? I think that everybody knows. Even UAE, if you say, I don't think they will say UAE.
Not only UAE, only people say.
Everywhere out of the world, they know that emirate, which is in everything they are coming in front. So technologically, everything. So I know these people know this, but I have just sometimes I have to give a good answer to. Then I
Like
can-
people also from India or from anywhere
if
of
you
the
go to
world,
India, you'll
if
ask-
you say UAE, you can get this emirate in your mind, which is Dubai.
Very good, because this is both of them know. I don't know everybody knows this, but
Yes.
this is an answer. Okay, now this question: when was Burj Khalifa open to the public? To the public.
Should I say the year?
Yeah, you have to say the year.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Give it. No
Okay.
issues. We'll give it.
Okay, it is 2010.
Very good. Now, which is the national bird of UAE? Kaishwari, tell me.
Falcon.
Falcon. Now something which is going on now. Everybody is behind Expo. You know that, correct?
Yes.
Everybody wants to go Expo.
And we have also put the video of Indian Pavilion.
Expo. So please see it. Okay.
Yeah.
And again we are going to go there. Still we are wanted to go like that. So now I want to ask you one question. When was the Expo project open to the world? When it is open to the world, it is. Yeah, tell me.
2021 at September.
Correct.
Very good. During 21 September, they know all these things. Huh? So they want to go there. Now, it's a very, very easy question. This again, everybody knows. What is the national animal of UAE? Yes, I want to give to Kaishwari because it's a small question for her.
Arabian Oryx.
Very good,
That's
Arabian
so
Oryx. And now I want to ask you another question,
Okay.
which was not in my questions again. Like you people have gone to Expo, correct?
Yeah.
Even though we have not gone to the full Expo.
Yeah.
But we have seen some part of Expo.
Yeah.
So what you like most? What you like? I am not asking which pavilion you like. No. What you like most in Expo? What you feel?
Can-
This is good in Expo.
Can I say two places?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so the first place is the tremendous waterfall over there with music that will be coming in our video. That is one of the most attractive places in Expo. And the second one is the KSA Pavilion, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, because there are a lot of cool things over there. That video will also be coming, so we cannot tell what is there.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's a secret.
Suspense.
Okay,
Kaishwari.
Yeah, what he said also, I like the waterfalls. It's really good. And the second thing I like is the Indian Pavilion. There is so much things to learn in that.
Yes. And the thing is, what you like most in Expo, which I want to say personally is, UAE always tries to be, technologically good in everything.
Not in technology,
Not in-
everything.
Everything they wanted to be.
They
but-
will try
but
to
if you
break
go-
the world record.
Yes, if you go to Expo, you can see there are also so many different things through the technology they made it, which makes us feel proud. Be proud there.
And inspiration.
Inspiration is very, very, very inspiring to us. So, okay. So, I feel they know good about UAE, and I'm very happy that they are not just saying they know it. And it's a very small question, so I don't think that I'm just made for these people. I never made for a big people because it's a Himshori offbeat channel. So this Himshori offbeat channel now proves that they know about UAE. Okay, thank you for my kids. I am thanking to my kids making me include in the channel. Okay.
Thank you.
And we all in the chair of UAE Nationals. I think we try to be as maximum
Yes.
as
Yes.
we can have it out. And Himesh, can you please name your dress?
My dress name is Kandura, and this clothes name is Ghatra.
Okay.
Ghatra. Ghatra.
Where Kaishwari wearing the flag. She is representing the flag of UAE. I am wearing the traditional dress of the UAE ladies. Thank you very much.
And now, next is gonna be a dance of Kaishwari representing the UAE National Day. So, Kaishwari, are you ready?
Yes.
So, now let's cut out to the
Dance.
Dance.
guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Kaishori's dance and our trivia about UAE. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Hipshori of Beat. And this is Himesh, Niji, Kaishori signing off.